Alrighty, y'all, that's just 3 cans of our manwich sauce on top of our 3 pounds of cooked ground beef. All right, we're just coming in with some diced tricolor bell peppers for some color and vitamins. A little bit of diced white onion here. And I am gonna put in 2 cans of original Rotel. Yummy! Guys, these flavors smell incredible together. I'm just gonna season this with a little bit of garlic powder. I love a good garlic. Perfect. Some onion powder. I know we've got onions in here, but I just think a little bit more will really give it that richness of flavor. Of course, we want to use a little bit of salt. And you know, depending on how much salt you use when you're cooking your meat, you could leave this off additionally. It just depends how you like it. And a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, this is the chef's kiss right here. Perfect. All right, let's give this a stir and get it all incorporated. I don't know about you all, but my husband absolutely loves manwich. It's one of his favorites. He's always asking for it. I don't know if you guys have tried it with Little Smokies or hot dogs, but it's one of our easy go-to weeknight dinners. Super, super tasty. It's just such a great sauce on everything. I sometimes put it over spaghetti with meatballs instead of like a marinara or a traditional red Italian sauce. It just depends what you're in the mood for. All right, let's put some sharp cheddar on here. Perfect. Let's see how far that goes. Oh yeah. I love cheese. I don't know people that, I guess like some people that aren't lactose intolerant also don't like much cheese, but for me, I feel like it's one of nature's gifts to us. It has extra protein, extra fats to keep you full. I know in Weight Watchers, they always tell you to have a string cheese or a cheese snack on hand. All right, only thing left to do, we've got some crescent dough rolls here. I am just gonna get these opened right up. Oop, look at them. They were bursting at the seam, ready to go. Oh, we've got a little bit of rippage, but that's gonna be okay. We can repair that. Surgery. Just kidding. Look at that, my favorite. They're so tasty. Alrighty, we are just gonna start laying these out in a harlequin pattern. And this is gonna be so pretty. I am gonna just slightly touch the edges on those ones. And we'll just reverse it on this little end here so we've got some nice coverage. Alrighty, I'm just gonna brush these guys with a little bit of my melted butter. Y'all, this is gonna be such an easy, delicious dinner. I like to bring this to the church potluck. Anytime like Marty's craving some manwich, I just go ahead and grab a couple of cans, and like I said, you can mix it with whatever meat you like. I've even eaten it just poured over a steak before. I think it's just one of the most tasty sauces you can imagine. Alrighty, I am just gonna pop this in my oven at 350. We're gonna have it in there for about 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, here it is, fresh from the oven. Oh my goodness, it smells absolutely incredible. Woo! Oh my goodness, we've got our manwich in here. We've got our cheddar, our bell peppers, our rotel. You know, the only thing I would maybe do different is next time add some beans. I think that'd be so tasty, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Our ground beef, just a totally easy and complete meal. And I've got someone very special here who's gonna give this a try, Justine.
Yum.
Oh my goodness, that crescent is cooked perfectly, and I love manwich.
Do you love it?
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
So easy, y'all, so good. You've definitely gotta try it.